In just a few days, the new tax law will take effect in Nigeria, and I'm here to talk about what these tax reforms really mean. You might have seen online that the new tax is commencing 2026, and people are panicking. Everyone is confused about who will pay tax, how much tax will be paid, and what income level is free from tax. But the truth is, not everybody will pay tax. First of all, what is this tax reform? Basically, the government changed the old tax rules and put everything together into new laws with the aim to make tax collection easier and to make sure that people who earn more pays more tax. So it's not a brand new tax, it's more like an update of the old system. So who will pay tax? Now, here is one of the most important things for you to take note on. If your total income in 1 year is 800,000 naira or less, you will not pay tax. This is called the tax exempt threshold. So someone who earns 600,000 naira or 800,000 naira annually, that person pays zero tax. But then, if your total income in a year is above 800,000 naira to its limit of 3 million naira, you will pay 15% tax. And now you're above the threshold, so taxation begins. It doesn't end there. When your annual income is above 3 million naira to its limit of 12 million, you pay 18% tax, and it goes on to above 50 million naira, where you pay 25% tax. When does tax start? Tax only starts when you as an earner crosses the threshold. So if you earn above 800,000 naira annually, tax will then start. But it will be small because you see, in Nigeria, we use a system called the progressive tax system, which also means pay as you earn. The more you earn, the more tax you will pay. So, basically, someone who earns 850,000 naira annually or 1 million naira annually will not pay the same tax as someone earning 50 million naira annually. It varies, you see. So this tax mainly focuses on people who earn more. What about rent and salary? Before, there was something called the consolidated relief, but that has now been removed. Now, if you pay rent, the government allows rent relief, meaning part of your rent can reduce how much tax you pay. So let's say you earn 1.5 million naira annually and then you pay a rent of around 400,000 naira. So part of that rent will now reduce your tax burden. So you see, tenants gets some small relief. And then what about small businesses? If you run a small business and you're earning less than 50 million naira a year, you'll be exempt from company or corporate tax. You will not pay tax. A lot of people have been asking if students pay tax or not. The simple answer is this: tax is based on income, not on whether you're a student or not. So if you as a student does not earn money or you earn 800,000 naira or less in a year, you will not pay tax. However, if a student earns above the threshold